Ready to dive into the world of crypto but hit a roadblock at the identity verification step on Coinbase? You're not alone. In a space where security is everything, platforms like Coinbase have strict rules to protect their users and comply with financial regulations. So, what's the deal with all the documents and why is it so important? Identity verification, often called KYC or Know Your Customer, is a crucial process designed to prevent fraud and keep your account safe. It ensures that the person trading on the platform is who they say they are. Without it, your account will have limited functionality, meaning you won't be able to buy, sell, or even transfer your crypto. But don't worry, the process is straightforward once you know what to do. First, you'll need a valid government-issued photo ID. This could be a driver's license, a national ID card, or a passport. Make sure the document is not expired, damaged, or altered in any way. You will also need to be ready to take a photo of yourself, a selfie, to match it to your ID. Here's the step-by-step process. Log into your Coinbase account on either the website or the mobile app. You'll be prompted to complete identity verification. Select your country and the type of ID you're using. You can then choose to use your webcam or a mobile phone to capture the images. For the best results, use your phone's camera. It usually provides the clearest photos. Find a well-lit space with a plain background and make sure there's no glare on your ID. You'll take a photo of the front and back of your ID, then a live selfie. Once you've submitted the photos, Coinbase will process them. This typically takes just a few minutes, and you'll receive an email confirmation when it's done. Sometimes, you might be asked to provide additional documents, such as proof of address. This could be a bank statement, credit card statement, or a utility bill. Just make sure the document is less than 3 months old. If you run into any issues, double-check that your personal information on Coinbase matches your ID exactly. A simple typo can cause a delay. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.